Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to publish a book on Amazon Kindle. Firstly, go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website and click sign up and enter your details. Once your account is ready, log into your KDP dashboard. Now from the dashboard, click create a new title. Choose whether you're publishing a Kindle ebook or a paperback. Fill in all required details including book title and edition, author name, description, publishing rights if it's your original work, and keywords and categories to help readers find your book. Now upload your manuscript file and upload your book cover, then use the previewer tool to see how your book will look on Kindle devices. Optionally add a Kindle ISBN, which is Amazon can provide one for free. Now decide if you want to enroll your book in KDP, select, then choose your territories, global or specific countries. Now select your royalty plan, 35% royalty for books priced above $9.99 or below $2.99, or 70% royalty for books priced $2.99 to $9.99. Enter your list price. Amazon will automatically show your royalty earnings. Now review all your details, then click publish, and within 24 to 72 hours, your ebook or paperback will be live on Amazon. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.